I found a description of the different levels of business which I want to share with you, and I found it in the most strangest place. It's in a verse in the Bible known as Genesis 1, verse 28. Allow me to read it to you quickly. And God blessed them, from King James Version 2000, and said, and God said unto them, Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the earth, and subdue it, and have dominion over. And then he mentions the fish, the birds, and all the living things upon the earth. That's the verse. Now, in your business, the first level you have to get to is to be fruitful. If you don't become fruitful, you won't make anything. You won't have anything to call a business yet, right? So that's the first level, making something, being fruitful. The next level is multiply. This means duplicating yourself, duplicating the amount of income you have. The point is you're going from having something to having more of that something, meaning you being even more fruitful, right? The next level is called and fill the earth. Now, filling the earth in the King James version is called replenish. Now, when you replenish, you are giving back to the earth, right? You are making more on the land. So that could be seen as charity or any works like that. And that's not something you're going to do when you don't have anything to do charity works from, unless it's your tithing, which is slightly different but similar to charity, depending on how your church uses the funds. But now I'm just rabbiting off. And then the next one is subdue it. So this one was very close to the next point, which is dominion. But subduing is the process of getting to dominion. So this is where you are making an effort to actually conquer or to have a bigger market share. Like when you look at companies like Amazon, they basically are majority shareholders of the market when it comes to online business. But when you are trying to compete with them, that means you are trying to subdue, trying to conquer, trying to be the leader in that market. And then the final one, which I believe Amazon is a very good example. Facebook for a long time they had a very big share as well as social media market, which would put them in the place of leading, as well as Apple is in the leaders in the Apple market, since they tend to follow their own way. The point is that those are all examples of dominating your market. That is dominion. Now, beyond dominating the market, all you can do is replenish more, right? Giving back more and more and more. So those are the five levels. Is it five? One, two, three, four. Yes, those are the five levels of success and of your business. And you can reach all of those. And if you want to learn how you can jump into level one or even level two, depending on how you get there, follow the link in my bio and it will share with you how you can learn how to start your own online business for a beginner, even if you don't know what it is that online business is. They will show you the way. They will share with you four markets, or rather four business models that you can follow that can bring you success. And I'm currently following two, about to start following three before this year is over. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. If I've not said it, you can click the like button. If this is on YouTube, you've got this on TikTok, then I hope you guys enjoyed the content. And you can also click the like button, give me a follow, and check out the link, and hopefully you find success.